Any other questions about your loan with Navy Federal Credit Union?
All good. Thanks again for answering my call. I know it's late back home. I can't imagine where I'd be without you guys.
Hello?
Um,
Are you still there?
thanks so much.
Have a good one. Thanks for calling.
Navy Federal Credit Union. Our members are the mission.
Introducing Domino's new leftovers. It's the same delicious pizza you expect from Domino's, but instead of eating it all tonight, you save some for tomorrow. Sure, it's hot and melty and really delicious, but resist the temptation and you have Domino's leftovers. Domino's leftovers are delicious straight from the toaster oven. They're delicious straight from the skillet.
Who reheats cold pizza?
Right now, you can try Domino's leftovers yourself and you get 2 medium 2-topping pizzas for $6.99 each. Enjoy one tonight, love one tomorrow.
I think we're all set. I'll turn the drive. Here we go again.
See, Coach? It's all in the wrist. He took our pancake.
He sure did.
Wow. He really does catch everything. The NLCS continues as the Padres battle the Phillies. Game 4, tonight on Fox. I have a distributor. It's the biggest drug broker in Vegas.
You build up their trust, set up a sting, take them both down.
Cortez is a dangerous man.
He could kill us both.
Go get the product. She stays. We got a real problem. The Cleaning Lady. All new Monday at 9, 8 Central on Fox.
For the first time ever, the FIFA World Cup will be played during the holiday season. Kicking off
The biggest sporting event on the planet is back in the middle of the holidays.
Christmas and much
I actually think it's going to make the holidays a lot better. Kind of.
Conspirators. What are we standing around for? We got work to do. We're gonna need a ton of stars. And lots of sweaters. Some freshly baked cookies.
So lots of mistletoe.
It's getting kind of old, isn't it?
3,000 more Mbappe!
A song.
Do you have any idea how busy I am this time of year?
Okay, maybe not a song, but just think of the light.
That is beautiful.
And don't forget about her voice.
Yo, Wes, did you pass that? Rolling it in, lays it off, cutting it back.
And the U.S. winning it all.
From the sea!